How to fix not registered on network on Samsung. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to easily fix the problem where it says not registered on network on Samsung Galaxy. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and restart your device. Many people underestimate the fact that if you do a simple restart, it's going to fix a lot of problem on their device. So long press on the power button and then tap on restart. It's going to completely reboot your phone. And if you have been facing any network error, it should completely fix it. Now, what you need to do next is go ahead and tap on settings after your phone is rebooted. Then you need to reset all of your network settings. So you can go to connections and then from here go to mobile networks. And you can turn off your data roaming or turn it on depending on your choice. Make sure the VoLTE is turned on for both of your services. And then 2G service is also enabled. Now, once you have done that, you can go back to reset your network settings. You can go over to more connection settings, and if there is anything here, you can change that as well. But I'll just head over down to general management, tap on reset, and then go to reset mobile network settings. Now just go ahead and tap on reset settings, and you'll be good to go. Now you just need to provide your PIN, and once you've done that, you should be good to go. You can do the same thing for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings just to be sure, and restart your phone once again to apply all of those settings, and you'll be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.